Hey guys, welcome to Twinkie75 Creations, here with my Halloween contribution for week 1 with Mandy's Place. And we're going to be hosting for the whole month of September with, I think there's like 26 ladies involved or so. And we're hosting Halloween month. So we're going to be making all this embellishments that we want, either TNTs. It doesn't just have to be embellishments. It's something you could trade or want to keep, so you could trade during the month of October following. So I decided I was going to be making some tags, and so I started and I made this 2 little coffins, and I placed some stuff on them. I ended up using like washi tapes and all this other stuff that I will be showing you guys right now. And I just placed them on. Doesn't have to be something big. At the end of the month, we'll be trading it with one partner or two or whatever you want to do. You could just use them as Happy Meal. So I used this dies right here. They're from Recollection. And that was the first time I ever used them. And then I'll show you guys what else I used. So here we go. I'll turn on my light so you guys can see more. I also ended up using washies, like I said, Halloween washies. Sorry it went so quick. Um, I did some die cuts of spiders, Halloween, and the tombstone says "Rest in Peace," a black cat, a ghost, and I used this little compartments that has like some bling bling that's supposed to be for nails. So right now I'm gonna decorate at least this one, and see what you guys like. So for now, I hope you guys enjoy, and just hope you guys like the tags that come out. Alright guys, so hang in there and we'll be back. pasting a spider on this too, because it looks kind of plain, and see what else I could do. Maybe grab a little bit of that meshy mesh that comes out of the glue to place on it to make it look like spider web on it. So, but anyways, ladies, don't forget, come check us out. There's 26 of us or more, probably, hopefully, each week. Each Saturday we'll be placing a video up of a new embellishment or project we'll be making for Halloween. Again, September is our Halloween month, so come check us out. Alright, remember, support. I'll put all the information on the bottom.